How to fix Fmod.dll. Not found or missing errors. First, avoid using any registry cleaner. 1. Restore Fmod.dll from the recycle bin. 2. Run a virus/malware scan of your entire system using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 3. For Steam users, verify the integrity of the game files. Try removing then re-downloading the whole game. 4. Clean boot your Windows. 5. Use System Restore. Plan B, roll back a driver to a previously installed version. 6. Remove and reinstall the program that uses the Fmod.dll file. 7. Update the drivers for hardware devices, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 8. Run the sfc/scano system file checker command as admin. 9. Install any available Windows updates. 10. Test your memory and hard drive. And for advanced Windows users, troubleshoot for any potential hardware problem. 11. Prepare your installation of Windows. 12. Perform a clean installation of Windows.